I am so excited for Taco Tuesday. Here we go.
Like we've learned so far, any great meal starts with prep work. That saying goes, prep work makes the dream work. Let's dice up some tomatoes. I like diced tomatoes with my tacos, whether they're the soft shell or the hard shell. I'm shredding both mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Now, with the price of lettuce these days, I had spinach in the fridge, so I'm using that tonight. We are dicing this up finely. I'm going to set this inside a bowl and set it aside. Next, I have a lime. Let's roll that. It's going to be easier to squeeze out and maximize all of that lime juice. I love fresh lime on all of my tacos and burritos. You'll see here I'm taking half an avocado. I'm slicing it in half, separating it, and then I'm using a spoon to score it. Now I'll go ahead and dice this avocado and set that in a bowl as well. If you don't like avocado, you certainly don't need to put it on your tacos, but this is like having a salad in a taco shell. So I love to add as many different types of vegetables as possible to every dish, as long as they work well together. Let's move on and let's add some oil to our hot pan. The ground beef in it goes. I've got a great spice recipe that I use here as well. It's got a mixture of garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, paprika. Really good flavor. I've also got a little touch of salt and black pepper in there too. Saute that up nicely and let's bring it over to our bowl in just a second. Assembly of our taco becomes very easy once we have all the prep work done and we're simply bringing over our ground beef. That's on tonight's menu. It just becomes fun now. Mix and match on your tacos and put them together.
So this quick and easy taco recipe, you can dress them up any way you want. Let's start with some beef right in the center.
Pack those tacos up really nice and deep with all that ground beef and get your protein in for the day.
Cheese.
I add the cheese directly onto that hot ground beef. That way it provides the opportunity for it to melt and blend right in.
Tomato on one. Tomato on two. Avocado on this guy. We like avocado. And avocado on that guy too. Like a little bit of, I'm using spinach tonight.
I like lettuce, but when I was in that grocery store and I saw one head of iceberg lettuce at $6, I passed right on by and said, I've got fresh spinach in the fridge. I'm going to go ahead and dice that up and use that in place of that lettuce. And I'll tell you what, the flavor was just fine.
Little squirt of lime. Salsa. Sour cream to start. You like a little kick? I like a little kick. A short splash of chipotle. There you have it, everybody. Taco Tuesday at Uncle Drew's. Boom! Let's give it a taste. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Let's go. Put that guy in there. Don't fall. Oh, look at that. Taco Tuesday. Woo! Listen for the crunch. And remember, Uncle Drew's Kitchen, watch my eyes. It'll tell you if I love this. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Mm-hmm. Boom! That's delicious. Yes, sir. We got a winner. Yep. We got a winner. Boom! Wow. Oh, what a spice mix tonight, Drew. Not usually a fan of the hard shell taco, but this is hitting the spot tonight. Wow. You gotta make this. You've gotta make this. Ultimate comfort food tacos. Wow. I'm already going in for a second one. That's how good this one is. I can't wait. I can't wait. Taco Tuesday, beef tacos, Uncle Drew's Kitchen. Boom! Boom! Oh yeah. You gotta make these. You've gotta make these. Go make them. Recipe, spices will be on the description in the comments somewhere. It'll be there. Make this recipe. It's a short recipe. Make it. Make this short recipe. It's worth it.